In today's video, we're going to style my hair for the work week. Yay! Can you guys sense the sarcasm? I'm going to do the base today and probably style my hair throughout the week and take you guys along the days. Very realistic, very authentic, very with the program, and very everyday life, you know. The hair has been shampooed and conditioned. We're using one product, and the product of choice is the Miche Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. This right here. They sent me some products in PR, and when I saw this, I was intrigued. I haven't found the perfect foam for my hair. I don't like any type of mousse in my hair, so it's a styling mousse, but it starts off as a gel to mousse slash foam. You guys know how I feel about mousse in my hair. It just does not work out. Let's see how this is gonna hold up in my hair. I'm thinking if to do the big section first and then break it into smaller sections. Since I haven't used this product before, I don't know how it's going to work. I'll have to figure this out as I'm filming the video. But let's do a pump to see how it comes out. So it comes out as a foam. I'm gonna apply that all over this section first. I'm gonna need a lot of this. Moisturizing does the job one time for the one time, but I'm gonna break it into smaller sections. It's giving more foam than gel. This is the first product I'm using like this, so I don't know what to expect. This time I'm going to get a clip. I don't know if I've been watching you guys this entire time. If I haven't, I'm sorry. I'm not using my mirror, so I'm watching the viewfinder. So I have a clip. I'm just gonna clip this hair away while I work on the smaller sections. So I'm just finger detangling, applying a little bit more on the section, and smoothing the product in. I like to leave my hair clumped. I don't foresee getting much hold out of this. Let me know if you guys have used this product before. How did it work on your hair? You know, let's chat it up in the comment section. You guys know I've used their tropical Oasis gel. I used it about twice. I used it on vacation and I did a first impression video for you guys. So you can check those videos out if you want to. I don't know why they called it a gel to foam, because I'm getting the foam vibes from application straight through. But one thing I love about mousse is that your hair dries pretty quickly, so I'm not going to go sleep with wet hair because it's after 5 actually. So one section is down. I'm trying to show you guys what the hair looks like. And they're looking good. Moving on to the next section, and you guys see how fast application is. We love that, right? We really do. Another question though, how do you guys feel about mousse? Has mousse worked out for you before? What's your favorite mousse? Please share, because I feel like none of the mousses that I've used so far have really impressed me or worked really well in my hair. Okay, this section right here doesn't really take well to curl defining products. It's a very kinky, curly, straight, but this product goes on very moisturizing, which makes application very easygoing. I need to see what I'm doing, so I'm going for the mirror. Ooh. Now I'm kind of seeing the gel effect, kind of ish. But I'm wondering with mousse, is it the more you use, the better your hair will look? What's the trick to using mousse if you guys use mousse in your routine and love using mousse? Let's help each other out, because I just feel like mousse does not work for my hair type. I'm almost done with this side. I've used mousse that went on pretty moisturizing and smooth and just dried looking crazy. I'm going for a middle part. I feel like I need some more back hair because it's drying frizzy to me. This side is done. What do we think? Y'all see how juicy this looks though, and shiny, hydrated, moisturized. Everything you would need from a product like this. The test is in how it dries. So I'm gonna do the other side, and at the end I'm gonna style my hair how I usually do when I wear my hair like this. But the intention is not to wear my hair out throughout the week. I want to try different curly hairstyles throughout the week. So let's see. I want to wear my hair out more for a specific reason. I've just not been into the twist and the braids as much as I used to be. You'll see. You just follow along, okay? It's okay to try different things and be in different eras or seasons of our lives, especially when it comes to our hair. In this case, my hair. But it looks like it's going to dry so pretty. I'm doing about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 7 pumps. Just finished this side, and ooh, if my hair could just stay like this. This is what this side has been looking like as it's drying. We're getting some volume, a lot of volume actually. Let's be honest. This is gonna give me a soft, fluffy hold. We're not gonna get extreme curl definition. We're gonna get a lot of volume and frizz from a product like this on my hair. But already from the jump, the front of my hair, no guys, this will not last. By the time I work out and sweat, this will turn into a disaster. But that's okay. I know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully this works well together. I have some more of the Miche Tropical Oasis gel, and I think I'm gonna put some of that in the front of my hair. And I didn't talk about how this one smells. This one smells like a diluted version of this, so not too strong. I hope this does not affect the hair. I'm just really putting it on the outskirts of my hair and the ends. The gel gives me a lot more hold. Living on a tropical humid island, I'm gonna need hold, guys. It doesn't really make sense to use products that give me a soft hold, especially if I want my hair to last a little longer throughout the week. And since I live a very active, sweaty lifestyle, the products we use have to make sense for our lifestyle. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been preaching this for years. So because a product works one way for me, or it doesn't work a way for me, doesn't mean that it won't work for you and your lifestyle. So if we have similar lifestyles and we live in similar climates, and we have the same likes and dislikes about how we want our hair to look, you have to understand it in that way. Okay, so I've done this side. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Even though the other side seems to be drying a lot less frizzy, but still, I'm going to put the gel mostly on the ends and at the top part of my hair, so we can finish this gel actually. And if you guys watched my how I wore my hair on vacation video, you would know that this gel held me down. A lot of you were mentioning that I could have refreshed and all of that, but when you're on vacation, y'all, do you really think about doing your hair? I mean, it depends on if you have a packed itinerary or not. I feel like the mousse would work really good for a twist out. I have to try it for a twist out next time to see how it works for a twist out or a braid out. I feel like I'll be more satisfied with the results for those styles versus curly hair. So at this point, I'm just trying to finish it. You guys know how I like to style the front of my hair. I'm gonna do that in a bit. Just trying to finish this. And I really enjoyed using this Tropical Oasis gel. You guys know the only thing I dislike about it is the smell. Gotta be honest about that. So we're almost done. Now I'm going to style the front. Just basically gel this down. And I'm going to use the Wetline Xtreme gel to do so. Just get a blob of gel and just smooth it down and tuck it on there. And sometimes I do like to apply some of the Wetline over the top. This is a very firm holding gel. I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Okay, I usually pin it down, but I'll probably do that later. I can just let it sit like this for now. And we are loving it. We were only supposed to use one product. We ended up using 3. See? You just go with the flow sometimes, guys. You just go with the flow. This is what the hair looks like, right? I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow to see how we're going to style it for work. Well, you guys know my job, but I'm not really going to be in the hot sun as much this coming week because this will be the first week of school and I'll be inside for the majority of my lessons this week. So I can just rock the curls, but we'll see. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful Monday. Tired as hell. Let me not pretend. Actually, I'm just hungry. Today's Monday, and yes, the next day. Ugh. That feels so good. And what are we gonna do with the hair? But you guys see how good the hair looks? Ignore this. I popped this right there. I don't really know how I'm gonna style it this morning. I feel like I can wear it down and out. I feel like I can rock the curls this morning. We can just probably just style the front. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. The curls are looking good though. The hair is soft, really soft, surprisingly soft. I did not expect my hair to feel like this morning. This is one of the reasons why I like for my hair to be done, so I don't have to style my hair in the morning to go to work. I am good on time. I just haven't eaten yet. Got my workout in and everything. On vacation I did buy me some satin ponytail holders. You should know the story if you keep up with my videos. Appreciate you if you do. If you're new, I'm gonna need you to catch up. But I'm gonna rock a loose ponytail this morning, but it doesn't really give ponytail. I have so much hair, so it gives like a slick back wash and go. I'm gonna set this with the scarf. I am so sorry that the sun is in you guys' faces, but this is realistic, right? Of course, I would have done this right after I came out the shower, but I had to put on clothes for you guys. I am so surprised at how good my hair feels, and it's not dry, it's just juicy and hydrated. I need something to eat. I'm hungry. We have better lighting today, and today's another day. Happy Tuesday. The hair. So this morning, I went for my walk, you know, and I just kind of tucked my ends under itself. But the curls. Let's talk about the curls. The curls are still intact. The hair still feels good. Oh, and I have better lighting today. That's thanks to God. It's not as sunny today. It's actually overcast today. So the hair looks good, guys. You see the... And my mom is on the phone. Let me just tell you what I'm going to do really quickly. I'm just going to put my hair back how it was. So I'm going to refresh the edges, because this is the quickest and easiest thing for me to do when my hair is like this, to be honest, guys. Like, this is a lot to deal with. Good on time. I'm just going to brush and add a little bit of gel. And I'm using, you guys, the viewfinder. So if you see me looking over here, that's what I'm looking at. Just a little bit of gel to reactivate the gel that's already in my hair and to add a little bit more hold. So I just really focused on smoothing it down. And I'm going to, ooh, this looks cute though. I need to revisit this combo, probably with using the foam, the gel to foam, and Eco Styler. Tell me about Eco Styler. Is Eco Styler? No. Wet line. Yes, wet line. Or I need to repurchase the Tropical Oasis gel and see how it would set on top of that. But anyway, I'm gonna have to use the mirror. Okie dokie. I'm gonna put some more gel, because at the end of the day yesterday, my hair barely lasted. Well, my hair barely stayed sleek. Of course, you know, we gotta set it. Perfume of choice today, Marc Jacobs Daisy. Good morning, guys. Today's Thursday. The hair. Okay, I gotta do something with this really quick because I gotta go. I didn't even get a chance to style it in any new, different way. At this point, I'm gonna put it back exactly how it was. But I won't need to add any more gel, because I have a lot of gel in my hair already. So I just spritzed water, reactivated the gel, smoothing it in. At this point, I don't really care about the part that was there, because my hair is a lot more full and bigger now. But the hair doesn't feel dry. It still feels okay. The hair is starting to flake a little bit. Nothing major. I like to bring the ponytail holder to the front and push it back a little bit. And we are done. Quick and easy, quick and easy. And of course, I can set it with a scarf. I don't like how this week went, to be honest. There are a lot of things that I need to fix in terms of my routine, because I shouldn't be doing my hair at this time. I'm definitely going to have to try to wake up a lot earlier, but we'll try again next week, you know. I'm done. This took about what, less than 5 minutes? Probably a little, yeah, less than 5. Okay, I gotta go. See ya. Happy tired Friday. I feel so drained, but I'm gonna get some rest this weekend, definitely. The hair. This is what we got. And I did not feel like styling my hair this morning. But let's do this real quick because I gotta go. So you see the frizz. Curls are still intact though, but just fluffy according to one of my students. Still defined. It does not feel dry, surprisingly. Just gonna quickly refresh again. And this time I'm going to use gel because it's the last day really that I'm gonna be out in the public. I usually wash my hair on the weekends, whether that's Saturday or Sunday, depending on if I'm going out somewhere or not. But I'm just applying some more gel, the same gel, the wet line. For my job, it doesn't really make sense to style all caps my hair really fit my lifestyle as well. I don't have that much time. If you watch my vlogs, you will know that I'm not just saying this, or this isn't just an excuse. My mornings are very active, so it looks more like a puff today, a nice curly puff. But as usual, gotta go right now. Gotta go. Okay, wrong key. Gotta go. Ooh, I'm just trying to knot this so it can stay. Gotta go. Bye.